Hi everyone, I'm Joan Cabarrus and welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. We will sculpt lots of dog breeds with polymer clay using minimal tools and lots of imagination. Come on in! Hi everyone, welcome to my sculpting show. Thank you so much for tuning in, and this show is actually for all of you, especially for the people that have never tried sculpting before, and we use polymer clay as a medium for this craft. Keep watching so you'll find out which dog we'll feature today. Today is October 8th. Here in America, it's National Hero Day. Let's thank and congratulate all the heroes out there, alive or already passed. Being a hero, I'm sure, is really great for our community. It feels good to help, right? But here's the thing. I think that being a hero also needs to have boundaries. We cannot really push ourselves to be a hero for somebody that don't need help. Does it make sense? Okay, let's get going. Today's episode is Siberian Husky. She's the dog in our neighborhood who doubts a lot of people and herself.
Such a beautiful morning. How was your morning, Huskikay?
Meh. I woke up crabby.
Crabby? That is not your normal.
Something is bothering me about Joanne. I just don't know why she's always sculpting us.
One of our neighbors lost her dog today. I think I'm gonna sculpt my neighbor's dog today so she can get this sculpture in 3 days. And I'm sure that will help her a lot, especially with her grieving. It's so fresh. She just lost her dog. I hope she's okay.
You know, friend, one thing I found out about her is that she really wants to share her skills of creativity to the world. She wants animals and dogs to help her with her journey, as much as she wants to give and show beautiful works of art to the people. It's the processes on how to accomplish them the most important.
Just like some actors, musicians, and business owners. Money is not their biggest motivators, but their skills and products and how they can help the world. I see it now. I will be happy to help her with her journey as a dog. A lot of people in the world love animals and dogs.
I'm so proud of you. Let me finish my breakfast, and it's still a beautiful morning.
Joanne, thank you for sculpting us. I realized that a lot of people really enjoy learning what you do.
I didn't know you're showing up today. Oh yeah, I found out that encouraging people how to sculpt animals and other dogs can help them improve their hand-eye coordination. They can recreate their own pets. They can create gifts for their families too. It's really fun.
Then sculpt me. I want all the viewers to learn how to create a husky.
Okay.
Prepare your supplies. Polymer clay, any tool with a rounded tip, brush and baby oil, and toothpicks. Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake books, and the Siberian Husky tutorial will be found in the Doggo Bake book too.
Woo! That was fun! Husky! Now you know how to create a simple husky dog breed using polymer clay. The only thing that differentiates this dog from other dog breed is that colors. Actually, we created a marbling effect by twisting the clay with two colors, with two different type of colors. And of course, the most important part of a husky are the eyes, right? The colors of the eyes. And that's it, Siberian Husky. Please remember to grab your copies of the Doggo Bake 1, 2, and 3 to learn 60 dog breeds to create all sorts of different kinds of dog breeds. Subscribe to my channel and click that bell on the right side so you won't miss any other episode that's coming up in the future. See you again next Friday for another dog.